say.
Hello everyone, hey.
Thanks for watching always.
Thanks for watching always.
Okay.
Okay.
This time, I would like to inform everyone overseas. I have published 9 volume art books so far. However, you can only buy it in Japan. The works of books that have already been discontinued will continue to be published on YouTube as before. About the books, create and stuffed animals on sale. I want to make it possible for people overseas to watch how to make the works published in these books. Therefore, I came up with the idea of using membership on YouTube. To put it simply, membership is a system for watching the video for a fee. The monthly fee is $4.99. I'll upload one video per month on how to make the works published in these books. The content of the work looks like this. Okay, you can watch each uploaded video for a month. You can join or cancel your membership at any time. You can also join only in the month of your favorite work. I've put a link in the summary section below. So join us for membership. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye.